Here's how you replace words with Python. We've got our quote string, fall 7 times, stand up 8. Now we're going to print that quote string out, but we're going to use not the join like we did earlier, but we're going to actually say the word replace. And we're going to replace and put in the word 8 where it said straight. So now when we print this out, it says fall 7 times, stand up straight. We're going to learn how to replace multiple words in a string. Here's our string. Amidst the mists and fearful frosts, with barren wrists and stoutest boasts, he thrusts his fists against the posts and still insists he sees the ghosts. We're going to replace he with she. Here's how it's done. So I print the quote string, replace he with she, and amidst the mists and fearful frosts, with barren wrists and stoutest boast, she thrusts her fists against the post and still insists she sees the ghosts.
This lesson is brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. The next is Query Chameleon, a query tool looking to help your data adapt to any surroundings.